Good morning ka-friendship. Today's video ay magluluto tayo ng crispy pata. Okay? So, sit back and relax and please watch this video until the end. Okay, ito po yung mga ingredients natin. Meron tayo ditong pata, lemongrass, laurel, black whole peppercorn, garlic, onion, and then gagamit din tayo ng salt and pepper, and generous amount of cooking oil. And para sa sawsawan natin later, gagamit tayo ng siling haba, calamansi, onion, soy sauce, at saka vinegar. Okay? So, simulan na natin ka-friendship. Okay, so ka-friendship, meron na tayo ditong pinakulo ang tubig. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ay ilalagay natin yung mga sangkap. Yung lemongrass, yung onion, garlic, yung ating black whole peppercorn, and then yung ating laurel, and then maglalagay tayo ng konting asin. Saka ilalagay natin yung ating pata. So, ayan. So, hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan ka-friendship hanggang lumambot yung pork natin. Siguro mga more or less, mga 2 oras just to make sure na talagang malambot yung pork natin. Okay? So, let's go back later. Ayan ka-friendship, malambot na yung pata natin. Ayan, malambot na siya. So, next natin na gagawin ay kunin natin siya dito. At i-drain, ilalagay muna natin sa strainer. Ayan. So, hayaan na lang muna. Ayan na siya ka-friendship. Ayan. Hayaan na lang muna natin siyang lumamig at saka titimplahan natin ng Knorr seasoning bago natin iprito. Okay? Okay, ayan na friendship. Malamig na yung pata natin. So, what we're going to do next is lalagyan natin ng salt and pepper and saka Knorr liquid seasoning. Sorry ka-friendship, nakalimutan ko kaninang i-mention na kailangan natin ng Knorr liquid seasoning. Okay, so hila natin siya ng asin. Ayan, make sure na nalagyan natin ang buong pata natin. Then, lagyan natin ng pepper. Then, lagyan natin ng Knorr liquid seasoning. sure na nalagyan ang bawat side. Okay, so ayan. So at this point, ka-friendship, ready for frying na yung pata natin. Okay, so ka-friendship, mainit na yung pala natin, yung pot natin. So maglalagay tayo ng generous amount of cooking oil kasi kailangan natin i-deep fry itong pata natin. So ayan, make sure na mainit yung oil, cooking oil natin. Ayan. Hinaan muna natin ng konti yung apoy kasi ilalagay natin yung ating pata. Hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan, ka-friendship, hanggang mag-crispy yung balat ng pata natin. Takpan natin ng lagya. Ayan. So, ipa-fry natin siya dyan for at least 10 minutes. And then, babalik na rin natin later. Okay, ka-friendship, i-check natin kung okay na yung ating crispy pata. Patayin muna natin yung ilaw kasi tumatalsik yung mantika. Ayan, pulang-pula na siya, ka-friendship. Ayan. So, pwede na natin siyang hanguin. Okay. So, ilalagay muna natin siya sa strainer to remove the excess oil. Ayan. Okay, so ito na po yung finished product natin, ka-friendship. Lalagyan natin dyan ng kamatis for plating. Ayan, at ito na rin ang kanyang sawsawan, ka-friendship. Okay? So, ayan ang ating crispy pata. Okay, so that's all for today, ka-friendship. Kung nagustuhan yung video ito, kindly hit that like and share. And to those who are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. Okay? So, once again, this is Mira at your service. Always remember that stay positive, work hard, and make it happen. Okay? So, thank you very much for watching, ka-friendship. See you on my next video. Bye-bye! God bless us all. Mwah.